And apparently there's a queue because there's one toilet.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Daniel Hermon, and I'm your poet for the evening. I'm going to start off with a poem called Art Noir. Art Noir is in the shadow, somebody's spirit in the air. What, no colour? Wipe it out. The third man, no shadows, masking someone who knows soon, blinded by the darkness. This next one's called Chaos. It's inspired by chaos theory. What's a guy back? It swings in Brazil. Simultaneously setting up a chain of events, totally unconnected. Invasion of Iraq. Hectic morning at a care home. Stop the world, I want to get off. You don't have to sound too enthusiastic. This one's called Clouds. A wisp of air passing by, hanging down like cotton wool. So delicate it changes shape. Just like that, it's gone to dust. I've amended the title of this one. It's this is called Come to Boston. To come to see the Boston Stump. Come to see the Boston Stump, the world's tallest wooden church tower in England. Like a giant finger, it dominates the skyline. Kings are threatened to pull it down as it symbolises British power. By night it is lit up like a space station on the moon. That's Boston on the Wash, Lancashire on the southeast coast of England. This one's called Hell to the Mercy Now. The wind did howl with one great scowl, like a monster in a total rage. Seaweed gets tossed over the sea wall like foaming down to water. This happens hence every night. The hell, the Mersey mouth. I am a nomad. I am a nomad on two wheels, using the road to get about. Never settled in one place, got to move on. A cutler of the air to the next place. This never ends, because I am a nomad from nowhere. This one's about a pub which sadly no longer exists on the south coast of Ireland. It's called Nell's Bar. In the city down the south coast of Ireland lies a marvellous haunt you must visit. Decked out with curios from around the world. If you ever go, take a camera. This music is supplied by a stereo system set up behind the bar. All this can be seen in the Dickensian scene down Waterford City. Out in the sticks, or is it? In a town that time seems to forget. No takeaways do exist. The map says I am somewhere near Doncaster. The pubs do not the entertainment. It is a general store on the high street, of the soul inside. Everybody shops at the Tesco Express at Patfield near Doncaster up north. Surrealist world. In a world where inanimate objects get up and walk around or floating on air, people leave the house follows, running trying to catch up. A cyclist flies by through thin air. There goes a swimming pool, 55 full of water. Look out for telegraph poles, power lines hanging around on pylons like barrage balloons. The clock face on the tower just melted, bending time and space, colliding yesterday with today. This one's about the previous job. It's called the care home. Relatives are not guaranteed to take care of the old people. or people are seen as an inconvenience, so they are told to move out into a care home, a last chance saloon. The oldie are resigned to know just two things to decay and leave inside a wooden box. So it's called the one-toothed man. The one-toothed man is a jovial soul. He has a one-toothed grin, he has a one-toothed smile. There's one thing which stands out, everything unique, he only has one tooth. This is inspired by an event of many travellings I did around Wales on the Welsh coast. I came to a town called Tenby, and there was a rather strange cat that turned up at a pub. It's called the Psycho Moggy of Tenby. There was a black and white Moggy at Tenby town who made the day visit the pub. A fair green man, Moggy for reasons deep in its psyche, lay shackle and hide with a landlord and clientele. This next one's a very early one. It's probably one of the first ones I ever wrote. It's called The Racing Cyclist. There's still thousands of miles of many places I've cycled to. Going home for leather with a pack behind, using some endeavour. This person's more clever, so using with a burst of speed, so it's none of them can match. Coming to a hill, everything seems still. Dropping down the gears, standing in the stirrups, steering at the oar to ride up the hill, then descending with elation. Once more on the flat, in the distance, the finish line beckons. Pushing on is crossed unseen by any other competitor. I'm going to end with the one called The Train to Nowhere. In a place down in the southwest of what was now a psychopath, you will stumble over the popping Billy. Outside stands the train to nowhere. Dormant with a passenger carriage. A guard van stands, he's hooking up to the train to nowhere. The steam locomotive bumpers like a jet in mighty hands. The train is stuck in time and space, majestic and old-fashioned way, until it falls apart down Torrington Way in Devon. Thank you very much. I know, no problem.